welcome to my channel. Today I am re-recording the heart model that I have made on my channel before with dubbing. I hope it will be a useful video. You can use this heart model as a keychain, jewelry or bag accessory. Materials required for our model: 38 pieces of 8mm beads. You can use beads of any size you want. 0.35 size non-stretching fishing line, needle and scissors. I would be very happy if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel before moving on to the production. I am also waiting for your support for my workshop from the join button. We can start making our heart. First, I put 4 beads on the back of my fishing line and start by tying them here. Then I pass the short fishing line through the other beads and cut it. I take my fishing line forward 1 bead with the help of the needle. After doing my first row, I put 3 beads on the second row and I wrap these beads around the back of the bead where my fishing line is located and fix them. I go up from 2 of the 3 beads I put on. For the third row, I put 3 beads on and I wrap around the back of the bead where my fishing line is located and fix these 3 beads. And I go up from 2 of the 3 beads I put on. I put 3 more beads on and I will do my 4th row. I apply the same procedures. I put 3 beads on again for the 5th row. I wrap around the back of the bead where my fishing line is located and fix my beads. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5th row, I don't go up anymore. I move my fishing line 1 bead to the side. I'll turn it like this and continue. It will be more comfortable. I put 3 beads on and again I go around the back of the bead where my fishing line is and take my beads. I go up only 1 of the 3 beads I put on. I put 2 beads on my fishing line and I make an entrance from the bead on the front of the bead where my fishing line is. After fixing my beads, I need to take my fishing line out from there. For this, I pass from the bead on the side of me. The bead I passed is the previous bead where my fishing line is. Then I go down 1, 2, 3 beads. I put 2 beads on my fishing line. I fix these beads by passing from the bead on the back of the bead where my fishing line is to the inside. The fishing line is still inside. I need support from the side beads to take it out. I'm taking it. I'll go up my fishing line by passing 1, 2, 3 beads. I'm on the middle bead now. I put on 3 more beads. I go around the back of the bead where my fishing line is and take these 3 beads. I go up from 2 of the 3 beads I put on. Thus, the tip of my heart is now ready. I go up using the edge beads. I put on 5 beads. And secure my beads by passing from the second bead in front of the bead where my fishing line is to the inside. I put on 1 bead. I place this 1 bead in the gap by passing my fishing line through the last 2 of the 5 beads I put on before. I pass to the bead right in front of me. I put on 3 beads. I pass my needle from the bead right in front of the bead where my fishing line is to the side I came from. I go up from 2 of the 3 beads we put on. I put on 3 beads one last time and pass my fishing line down from the bead at the very corner to complete my heart. As you can see, there is no connection between the beads. I will move my fishing line a little to ensure this connection. Then I will tie my fishing line Tying is like tying a sewing knot. I go in between. I don't pull it all the way. I create a bubble. I pass my needle through the bubble that forms and pull it. So we tie a knot. I do this process a few times. I cut my fishing line after moving it a few beads forward. And our heart is ready. If you found my video useful, you can support me by subscribing and liking my video. I also expect your support for my workshop from the join button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.